I did.
Hello fellow gardeners, it's Wayne Southwood here from Brunfort, Central Free State. I'd like to share with you how we do things and perhaps help you to fix your soil, that you never have to fertilize ever again. Behind me is a no-dig system which was loaded with about 300 mils of just compost. It's on top of a pile of building rubble, and you can see the kind of things we're growing here. We love broccoli and cauliflower, and they're really expensive in the shop, so that's why we grow plenty of this. This row is about 20 meters long, and it's mainly broccoli and cauliflower. But it's D-Day for this one, so let's yank it out and see what we find. Voila! There we go. How do you like that for a cauliflower? Well, here we go. 1.466 kilograms. This is the biggest one we've grown. We average about 700 grams on collies. Beautiful, eh? Well, that was fun. Right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. But while I'm at the cauliflowers, I just want to mention that I have a lot of aphids on the plants, but as you see, they look quite healthy. There's a few leaves which are curled up, which aphids make them do. But I'm trying to get the predator insects boosted. I'm seeing a lot more ladybugs now, and wasps, and a lot of little white eyes, often in the figs and all over the garden. So that's what I'm trying to do. Alright, I'm a huge fan of Professor Elaine Ingham, and everything we do here I learned from Elaine Ingham. So if you want to get clever with soils, just go to YouTube and Google Elaine Ingham soil food web. You'll learn so much, it'll blow your mind. Okay, the secret is there with the microbes in the soil, as you'll learn from Dr. Ingham. We make our own microbial compost, hot composting, and then we breed thousands and thousands of earthworms. So we use the earthworms to make worm castings. We sell a lot of them all over the country, worm castings, or we call it compost because some people just don't know what castings. We also make a worm extract, not a tea, it's just an extract at this stage. Yeah, so we sell thousands of worms and worm castings. Okay, just a quick look at our little nursery here. We are getting 100% germination by using the worm castings. It really helps. So we've got spinach, cauliflower, various sorts of tomatoes, chrysanthemums, and a whole bunch of succulents. And then we're also making rooted cuttings of figs and grapes. Right, this is what you've been waiting for. This is the secret magic, black gold or black magic, whatever you call it. This is worm castings or compost. This is full of cocoons and a few baby earthworms that have hatched out. This goes into your soil. At every seedling we transplant, we put a spoonful of this, and the microbes and bacteria and things go down with the roots. This you have to have. Righto, here is a box that our landlord lets us use now, but it was pretty neglected. So what I've done is I've planted seedlings, like I said just now, cauliflowers with a handful of worm castings. Alright, then the other thing I did was I planted oats in rows. I've already now taken some of it out. But this is the best green mulch, fast grower. You can sort out your soil, because the roots, different roots are necessary for the soil health. So as you can see, we've got cosmos here, we've got sunflowers, over there we've got courgettes. I'm just loath to take this out because I like the cosmos so much. But it's very easy to pull out. And if you smell this, it just smells so wonderful. You know all the bacteria and the microbes are already going there. And then you just drop it here and cover the earth. This has been out for a little while, so it's turned brown. But that's your green mulch, and my soil is covered now, so I'm protected from heavy downpour rain. Those droplets of water, when they hit the soil, they just destroy the soil structure, and they cause it to be like a hard layer on top. So that will never happen in this place. And at the same time, I'm feeding all the organisms that are under there. This soil is just so soft now, and you can put your hands in it and walk on it, and it feels like you're walking on a carpet. It's absolutely amazing. Alright, if you like the video, please like and share, then you'll get another one. Thank you.